Swamiji, though it is effortless to be I am this self during your meditation classes, why can't I be able to establish myself in that during other time? I don't know where the block is. Kindly advise how to fix it. What you should do? Think it over. That is why I told Tattva Bodha classes. In your understanding, there should not be a hole. If there is a gap in your understanding, this ahankar will, this ahankar is like the tongue. If there is a little food sticking some tooth somewhere, the tongue, same place. It will not go to any, 32 teeth are there. But wherever there is a little something, why? Why is it like that? Everybody does it. A person puts on a beautiful cloth, very nice. One place there is a hole, your entire vision is holy. Are that whole cloth is beautiful, little hole. The person is very nice, one moment angry. How is he? Angry. Are you not doing it all the time, sir? Hundred people are your friends. One hates you, like your enemy. But your whole fixation is on that person. 100 people like you. How? Why? That is the tendency of the ahankar. Everything you understand, suppose one thing by chance you don't understand, it has not resolved in you, that is the one. How is it this? How is it that? That is the one who will continuously bug you. And if you are affected, in case by habit you are affected by something, the I will not believe that you are the absolute wisdom. Why? Because you are affected. So, clear understanding must be there. That's it, finished. And then by habit when this thought comes, the I says, sit down one day. I told you my own experience, right? I don't want to repeat it too many times. I'm like, what is wrong with that? It's not me. My mind also at one time, only once, I'm telling you, only once, my whole understanding, and I came to my Guru, I studied everything wonderfully, everything was fantastic, clean. Why? First day he teaches, I go, I sit down, I think it over, write it down, think it over, write it down. Second day, first day, second day thing, write it down, think it over, write it down. Even there was one other brahmachari who was not understanding it, young fellow, 16-year-old, he is dead. He was younger, so much younger to me anyway, that's life. He'll come and say, Swami, please repeat, because he understands only Tamil. He doesn't understand much English. So I must repeat for him in English. I was also very happy, because I could understand very clearly. I go back and immediately write down. And because I was like a one person from Orissa, after some time only another Orissa boy came in our batch. So, language-wise, I didn't know Tamil, I didn't know Telugu, I didn't know Malayalam, I don't know Marathi. With whom shall I talk? Nobody. Fantastic. So, I was always in my room, right thing. That's a beautiful topic. As Swami was teaching, first day. So, again that person will come in the daytime, I'll teach him out. And that boy, had a photographic memory. You know, he will come to learn from me. So I'll tell him. Then what will do? You know what? First day after I told him the lectures, God's grace, I had a good mind, I could remember things. I teach him everything. I write down, so I have already remembered. I think it over, I already remember. I have written it down, so clear picture. After finishing it, you know what he will say? Swami, you did not say that point. Because his memory was photographic. Swami has told 10 things, he remembers all the 10 things. Then, but you did not tell at this point. Then I said, if you remember it, why are you coming to me? You know, with a laughter and joke. I said, boy, you are so brilliant. So sweet, you come. Why? By chance I left a point from Swamiji's class, he gives it to me, I write it down. Second day, third day. What is Jagasar? Atma, who is this? What is this self? Who I am? Who am I? Stula Sukshma Karna Sarirat Vyatirikta Panchagosatita Sanna Avasthaitra Sakshi Sachidananda Rupa Sanna Yat Tishtadi Sa Atma. That which are the three bodies, three avasthas, Panchagosha, Satchidananda Swarupa. The whole text was in the head and the explanation is in the head. Where shall it stick in? Where shall it fit in myself? Boom. 100 times I have told people, even our students, have you got the whole Tattva, the book in your head? I don't want to ask and make people uncomfortable. But I have not seen many who have got the whole text in the head. You sit down and finish your contemplation from the Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampanna Sampatti Adhikana Adhikarana Bhavanti. Sadhana Chatushtaya Kim, all that. Viveka Vairagya Samadhi Sattva, all this stuff, until Tanam Jadva Kasyam Swapachasya Gruhithava Jnana Sampratti Samaye Muktosu Vigatasya. Do you remember that verse? If you remember, choice. The whole text, Sanskrit as it is. Why? Because you think. So you go through what is gross body, subtle body, causal body, how you cannot be that Panchakosha, you cannot be that Panchaprana, you cannot be that. When all this ahankar, mano, buddhi, chittam, ahankar cannot be that, then what is that? One thing is, what is that? Satchidananda. If that's what I am, what about totality? Ishvara creation, boom, boom comes in. Picture is finished. You are finished. But if there is a little hole somewhere, ahankar will stick to that. One day he told me, I think it's all nonsense. I said, really? My mind talking to me? Huh? Talking to me means the thought comes up. Oh, what is this? Because, still that I am a postgraduate in, in English literature, that secretary and all that stuff. Pride, arrogance, and influence of all these modern informations and all those powers and all that. Oh, this is all. Why? Really? I told myself. One thought comes in, baram, again and again. I said, all right, today no food for him. Sat down. After the evening, I remember the evening class is over, I came back. I sat in my room. Ning, 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 the bell goes, dining bell. Go, go, go. Yes. I am not a thought. I am not going to hear you. The bell doesn't ring, bell doesn't call. The thoughts only push. You see it working in your head. Does the bell call you? Does the bell pull you? Or your thoughts push you? Thought says, ready, go, 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 go. The stomach doesn't push. Only hunger, notice comes, hunger. Here only, go. If you are miserable, don't go. That is, when you are miserable, you don't eat. Under the spell of your thought, you fast. You fast, then you tell what? I am doing it for my God. True. You are very much doing it for God. Deception. No. Half an hour shouted, stopped. I knew this stupid mind is like that. It will stop, it will shout for some time, then automatically it will go. I am the survivor, ultimate absolute. 9 o'clock, stopped talking. Then what is the next routine? Sleep, no? Sleep. Go and sleep. No sleep for you. No sleep. I remember that. It's like a beautiful, call it a battle, call it a war, call it a competition, call it a fun, call it anything like between me and myself. How beautiful. That is why if you have done it for yourself, who can touch you? Who can touch? If you are feeling touched, infuriated, insulted, I don't want to tell. Nothing has gone in. It may be a little better than the other person, but one hole takes all the water from the pot as even 100 holes. So don't say, 90 I have, that fellow has got 100 weaknesses, Swamiji, I have got one, podum. Enough. It's like somebody says, there are 3 friends, they were talking among themselves. They are drinking, suddenly they got into a mood, Hey, you tell me what is the things you have done in your life, let us talk our private things sometimes. This fellow said, no, I have nothing. No. I tell now, we are all friends. I have only one habit, I am a drunkard. I drink. All right. So now that he has revealed his weakness, he wants to know everybody's weakness. So the second fellow says, what do you do? I am such a tremendous weakness only for food. I want this food, that food, that food. What is yours? No, I don't have. We too have said, what is yours? All right, I am very much, I feel attracted towards the opposite sex. In a woman, I am heavily attracted. I don't know what to do. That's the only weakness. The fourth fellow now. What is your? He says, nothing. I have no weakness. Very straight face. I have no weakness whatsoever. He said, don't talk nonsense. You have heard about us. Somebody drinks, somebody food, somebody opposite sex. What is your weakness? He said, no, you know about us. You must have something. He said, no, really. I have no interest in food, I have no interest in women, I have no interest in drinks, I have no interest in money, I have no interest in anything. How can you say that? When they went on insisting, he said, okay, all right, if you say that, I have only one weakness. What is that? I tell lies. If you are a person who you love to tell lies, you have got everything, one stroke you finish. So this I, what is this? Call it whatever you like, fight, fun, whatever. I want to sleep. No sleep. 10, 11, 12, 1. After 1 hour it's at 10 o'clock. Okay. So who is strong? I talk to myself. This fellow is telling, is it right or wrong? Whatever we have understood. I have power over you or you have power over me? Who is this I talking power over me? I am the consciousness all pervasive. It is like one language of yourself. Previous the I was based on the body, mind, languages, experiences, thoughts. The present I is based on the absolute. Between the two, conversation. You understand that? He said, who is stronger? Your habit, if it is stronger than your knowledge, you still don't know. Are you getting that? Your habitual identity, if it is stronger than what you are trying to understand, naturally you will not be able to sit down because that pulls you. You are still in the fluid ground, loose ground. You will sleep. But when you see for yourself, not only your I cannot, that habitual I cannot pull you, other people also cannot pull you. Why? As I told you, ignorant people will remind you about your weakness, your limitation. You being wise, even to the person who reminds you of your limitation, you tell you are limitless. He shall say you are a devil, you shall say you are divine. What do you do? Think over it, contemplate, sit down. How much I have done, how many times. That's why, what can I do? I just enjoy. If somebody is suffering, I can't say, did I not tell you? Why should I tell that? You have a nice time. Good, nice to suffer, enjoy yourself. Okay? So, don't worry about it. Okay? Just sit down. Observe yourself, be yourself. The same thing what I am talking to you, if it has given you a relief, now you talk it to yourself. Same points, same examples. And be the example. The space is not created, form is created, the thought is created, consciousness not. See that. Be the example. Consciousness doesn't resist the sound, resist a thought or the absence of it. Doesn't crave for a thought, doesn't resist a thought. So cravings and resistance is not mine. Be that.